Rectangles are another common type of object you can create. To create a rectangle, click the Rectangle tool in the Draw panel of the Home ribbon. If you hover your cursor over the tool, notice that the tooltip shows you that the Rectangle tool creates a rectangular polyline. If you pause your cursor over the tool for a few seconds, the tooltip expands to show you additional information. The tooltip also shows you the name of the actual command. In this case, the command is rectang. In addition to clicking the button in the ribbon, you could start the command by typing rectang and then pressing Enter. The tooltip will always show you the name of the command represented by a particular button, and any command can be started by typing. But that takes much more effort, so it is almost always easier to simply click the appropriate tool. Notice that as soon as you start the rectangle command, the program prompts you to specify the first corner point and also shows you a list of options. Options are displayed in the command line inside square brackets. You can select any of these options by typing the capitalized letter corresponding to the desired option, or by simply clicking the option in the command line, by right-clicking and choosing from the options that appear in the middle portion of the shortcut menu, or, if dynamic input is enabled, by pressing the down arrow and then selecting from a list. To simply draw a rectangle without selecting any options, just click to specify one corner of the rectangle, and then notice that the prompt has changed. The program now prompts you to specify the other corner or opposite corner of the rectangle, and also presents a different set of options. As you move the cursor, you can see the rectangle that will be created. There are two different methods that you can use to specify the opposite corner of the rectangle. With dynamic input toggled on, notice that you can see the X and Y coordinates, the length and width of the resulting rectangle. You can simply move the cursor until the rectangle is the desired size, or you can type the length and width values. Once you specify the opposite corner, the rectangle is created and the command ends. You can tell that the command has ended because in the command line tells you to type a command. And if dynamic input is turned on, there is no longer a prompt adjacent to the cursor. To repeat the command, you can simply press the space bar, or you can right-click and choose the rectang command from the top of the shortcut menu.